welcome back to DIYYolande. In today's video, as you read from the title, we are creating a very easy circle three-legged coffee table. What I love about this table is the fact that it is so easy and it is very cheap on the pocket. You'll know me, I love frugal and affordable DIY projects. So let's get into this video. Here's the list of the supplies that you will need for this easy DIY. So I'm going to mark off the center of the square. Firstly, let's ensure that all four parts are equal. So this is a square. Okay, so we are going to find the center part of it. Since they are all 80 centimeters, which is 800 millimeters, then the center would be at 40 centimeters, right? What I'll then do, then mark off the 40 mark on each side. So this here is the center mark. So now I'm going to nail the string on here. Okay, so I am putting in a pin nail that I'm going to use to wrap my string around. That will require me to sand down. You see, like here, slightly out here. I'm gonna need to sand this down and sand down the edges so that they are nice and smooth. So I got these cone legs from Galma and these leg plates. These are going to hold the legs in place for screwing on the legs onto the table. A detailed list of all the supplies used in this easy DIY is detailed in the description box. I applied 3 coats of paint, allowing to dry in between each coat. Always remember to read the instructions on the paints that you are using. this top coat from Plascon, and I made 3 coats of it also, and do allow to dry in between each coat. This is just to protect the surface of the coffee table. As you know, there will be spillage that will take place on it, so this is to ensure that the wood does not get ruined. So I am making this easy and affordable coffee table for my mother. The beautiful thing with it is that it costed me, and that was because and that was because I already had the power tools. I already had the wood in my garage. What I actually went out to go buy is the legs and the plates for the legs that I got from Gelman. Other than that, everything else I worked with what I had. If you have gotten this far of the video, I hope you've liked, commented, and hit the red subscribe button. There are other DIY projects that I have created on my channel. They are linked down in the description box, so do check them out. Do follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, on TikTok, on Facebook, on Twitter at DIYYolande. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment. And you know what? If you plan on remaking this coffee table, tag me! I look forward to seeing your creations. And don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace!